Austin, you ready to go swimming? Oh, we got to get your vest. Why don't you grab it? Taking off your shoes. This is our special little spot. You see lots of fishies out there. Are we gonna find some fish, Austin? You wanna go pee-pee? Okay. We've been up here in nature for about 10 days and it's been the best. Right, buddy? Have you liked it up here in the lake? What do you like about it? Oh, you don't know? Ooh, here's the wave. Can you tell me, are we gonna see fish? How many? 10 fish. Can you hold your breath for a long time? Oh, I think we should go swimming. Let's go. Get your vest.
My vest
Swim in there, yeah.
goggles.
And your goggles. Right, okay. Right over there.